Hello, so today, right now I'm going to be doing a Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes. It's usually about minute 15, minute 30. Yeah, it's hard for me to mix it up. Ever since I've gotten better, it's gotten harder and harder for me to mix it up well, because a lot of times I just get my sister to do it. And okay, so anyways, I guess I'll be going pretty quick here. So there you have it. Solved the Rubik's Cube. Took me a little bit longer. I fumbled several times. I so badly need to get it re-stickered. Things are thrashed. Yeah, that's a red sticker. It's supposed to be. Okay, anyways, I guess that's it. So there you have it. Yes, I'm a nerd.